Hi guys, welcome to the active channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can see your Gmail password if you can forward it. So let's go to Gmail browser first. After go to browser, right here, one thing, Gmail. Go to your Gmail account. Click on top right corner your profile icon, this one, and go to your manage your Gmail account. Now go here, security. Now scroll down and you will find here one thing, your saved passwords, this one, password manager. Click on this. Now scroll down and search for your google.com. This one, google.com. Click on this. It will be automatically enter the password by your browser settings, so you don't need to put the password. But if you want to see the password, click on show password, or if you want to see the password from password manager, click on next, and you'll find here your email and your password here. Just click on this and you'll be able to see your password. Here's another. So guys, this is how you can see your Google password or Gmail password. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.